wealth and becoming a millionaire is a dream for many people. However, starting from nothing can seem like an impossible feat. The truth is, becoming a millionaire requires dedication, hard work, and strategic planning. Welcome to the Finance Bull. In today's video, we will explain why the first million is the hardest to earn, and how millionaires use good financial habits and the right mindset to stay rich. If you want to become a millionaire, you must watch this video until the end. It's very difficult to become a millionaire, but it can be done, because many people have become millionaires, starting from scratch. The first million is often considered the hardest to accumulate, and for good reason. When you have nothing, every penny counts. The first steps towards building wealth are often the most difficult, as it requires a significant amount of effort to establish a solid foundation. But don't let that discourage you. Once you have a strong foundation, the growth can be exponential. Understanding the math behind how quickly $1 million can multiply is the key to achieving financial freedom. With the right strategies and tools, you can make your money work for you and accumulate wealth at an astonishing rate. Now let's dive deep and explore the reasons why the first million is the hardest to accumulate and show you how millionaires stay rich. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to build wealth and become a millionaire. So let's get started. The importance of good financial habits. When it comes to personal finance, it's often said that 90% of it is behavior and only 10% is knowledge. This means that having a good understanding of financial concepts and strategies is important. But it's even more crucial to develop good financial habits and consistently put them into practice. Developing good financial habits takes time and practice, but it's an essential step towards building wealth. Millionaires understand this better than most people, and they typically have excellent spending and saving habits. They know how to handle money wisely, and they make smart financial decisions that help them grow their wealth over time. What's more, good financial habits don't stop being beneficial once someone becomes a millionaire. In fact, they become even more critical. Millionaires who continue to practice good financial habits are more likely to maintain their wealth and continue growing it over time. By making a habit of saving and investing their money wisely, they can achieve even greater financial success in the years ahead. The three most important financial habits to becoming a millionaire are: Number 1. Saving regularly. This means putting away a portion of your income into savings on a consistent basis. This habit helps to build an emergency fund, save for retirement, or achieve other financial goals. Number 2. Living within your means. This means spending less money than you earn and avoiding unnecessary debt. It's important to create a budget and stick to it, avoiding impulse purchases and unnecessary expenses. Number 3. Investing wisely. This means making informed decisions about where to put your money to make it grow. Investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate can help build wealth over time, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. With these three habits, you're on the right track to becoming a millionaire. But next to habits, your mindset is also very important. You have to adopt the mindset of not being afraid to lose money. One of the biggest hurdles that people face when it comes to building wealth is the fear of losing money. This fear is particularly acute for those who are just starting out, as they often have little or no financial cushion to fall back on. This fear can be paralyzing and prevent people from taking the necessary risks to grow their wealth. In contrast, millionaires are typically less fearful of losing money because they have a large safety net. They have built up their wealth over time and have accumulated enough assets to weather any short-term losses. This means that they are able to be more aggressive with their investment choices, which can ultimately lead to greater returns. It's important to note that millionaires are not reckless with their money. They are experienced investors who understand the risks involved in different types of investments. They are able to preserve and increase their capital through a combination of smart investment choices and risk management strategies. By building a diverse portfolio of investments, millionaires are able to protect their wealth while still taking advantage of opportunities for growth. Ultimately, the fear of losing money is a natural part of the wealth-building process. However, by developing good financial habits and building a strong financial cushion, individuals can overcome this fear and take the necessary steps to achieve their financial goals. Not only should you not fear the loss of money, you can use debt to increase your earning power. Whilst most people are fearful of debt and have a negative connotation to it, millionaires understand that debt can be a powerful tool when used responsibly. They use low-interest debt to their advantage to acquire income-producing assets, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or businesses. By doing so, they are able to leverage their money and generate additional streams of income. Wealthy people often use low-interest debt to finance investment properties that provide a healthy return on investment. By using debt to purchase rental properties, they're able to generate rental income that more than covers the cost of the debt service. Additionally, they are able to take advantage of tax benefits that come with owning rental properties. However, it's important to note that millionaires and wealthy individuals do not use high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, to finance their lifestyle. They understand the importance of maintaining a good credit score and keeping their debt-to-income ratio low. Using low-interest debt to acquire income-producing assets is a strategic move that helps them build wealth over time. Next, we will discuss the importance of borrowing power in building wealth. Banks and lending institutions prefer to lend money to people who have a history of managing their finances well. Millionaires typically have a good credit history and a proven track record of handling money responsibly, making them a more attractive candidate for borrowing money. Having access to low-interest loans allows millionaires to make investments that will provide a return on investment, which further grows their wealth. This could include investing in real estate, buying stocks or other assets, or starting a new business venture. By borrowing money at a low interest rate and investing it in income-producing assets, millionaires are able to increase their wealth over time. Additionally, the more wealth someone has, the more borrowing power they typically have. This is because lenders are more willing to lend money to someone who has a high net worth and a proven history of managing money responsibly. By leveraging their borrowing power, wealthy individuals can continue to grow their wealth and take advantage of investment opportunities as they arise. In summary, borrowing power is an important tool for millionaires in building wealth. By having access to low-interest debt and a strong borrowing history, wealthy individuals can take advantage of investment opportunities that will provide a return on investment and further increase their wealth. In summary, the first $1 million is often the hardest to earn, but there are reasons why millionaires are able to accumulate wealth at a faster pace. Good financial habits, experience, the ability to handle low-interest debt, and borrowing power are all factors that contribute to a millionaire's success. Developing good financial habits and gaining experience takes time and practice, but it is possible for anyone to become a millionaire with dedication and hard work. It is important to understand that building wealth is a journey, not an overnight success. If you want to learn more about personal finance and investing, be sure to subscribe to the Finance Bull for more valuable information and tips on how to reach your financial goals. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and it starts with taking the first step. Thank you for watching the video, and until next time.